Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum assalam wa
Sheikh, I have a question regarding the hadith about the pants below the ankles. So I personally follow the strict opinion about like it's haram. But however, my parents they are against it, and they say that it's okay if it's not done out of arrogance. So I've tried to explain to them like it's I follow this view and you can follow your view, and we can live together. It's all fine. But they seem to like threaten me. Deep stuff, deep personal stuff. So what should one do in this situation?
Well, we have a choice on the table. Either to follow the Sunnah, and it's not the strict opinion. This is the Sunnah of the Prophet, the way of the Prophet and his companions. May Allah be pleased with them. If you have these two options, either to follow the way of the Prophet ﷺ, to please Allah, while your parents would be angry, or reverse it, go against the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, which is a major sin and angers Allah, in order to please your parents. And of course it's a no-brainer. I have to obey Allah Azza wa Jal and follow the Sunnah and save myself from hellfire, whether they understand or not. But it's logical not to confront your parents head on, and rather deal with them with diplomacy and say to them, yes, inshallah, maybe you are right, I will try my level best, and ignore it and dodge their requests. When you keep on trying to convince them, it's difficult, because you can lead a horse to the river and it would walk behind you for 2 miles willingly without any problem. Once you reach the river, if you try to force the horse to drink, even if you get 10 strong men, you won't succeed. The horse has to drink willingly. Likewise, your parents will never understand. They are ignorant. They have no knowledge in Islam. They don't know even know Arabic, never read the Quran fully, most likely never done any course in Islamic sciences or Aqidah or Fiqh. Yet they come and say, it's a recommendation. It is an issue of dispute. What do you know? Zilch, nothing. So try to be diplomatic and make dua that Allah expands their chests and hearts to understand the Sunnah and follow it, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. There is an hadith, but it is not authentic, and hence the scholars like Ibn Abbar and others say that this is only done by the ignorants who do not know the Sunnah. So wiping the face after the dua is not from the Sunnah, and it's only done by those ignorant who do not know the authentic Sunnah.